Hello learners, and welcome to English Practice Beginners, your calm and friendly space where daily English learning becomes simple, slow, and practical. Today we are diving into real daily conversations that you can use immediately to communicate with confidence. In this session you will practice sentences that cover morning routines, home activities, simple shopping conversations, short chats with friends, workplace basics, and evening routines. Every sentence is designed to be slow, clear, and easy to repeat so that your mind can absorb the language naturally. As you listen and shadow these sentences, imagine yourself in each situation, speaking with ease, without pressure, without rush, and without fear. Start by taking a deep breath, relaxing your shoulders, and preparing yourself for slow, steady English practice that fits perfectly into your daily life. Let's start with the morning routine. Every day begins with simple actions, and these sentences will help you speak about your day naturally. I wake up slowly and stretch my arms gently. I take a deep breath and feel ready for the day. I sit on my bed quietly and think about what I want to achieve today. I stand up carefully, putting my feet on the floor, and walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water and brush my teeth slowly. I look at myself in the mirror and smile, feeling positive. I comb my hair neatly and choose my clothes for the day. I drink a glass of water and prepare a light breakfast. I sit and eat quietly, paying attention to each bite, enjoying the calm morning. I check my phone for messages, but do not rush, taking my time. I plan the first few tasks of my day. I make my bed and pack my bag if I am leaving the house. I step outside with a calm mind and enjoy the fresh air for a few seconds. I walk to my transport or begin my journey to school or work slowly, observing my surroundings, greeting people politely, and feeling relaxed. Now, let's imagine the interactions you might have while outside. I say hello to the neighbour politely. I ask them how they are feeling today. I wait for their response and smile. I continue walking, thinking about my day. I see a small shop and decide to enter. I greet the shopkeeper warmly and ask politely, "Excuse me, can I find this item?" I wait for their answer and say, "Thank you." I pick up my items carefully and check the prices slowly, thinking clearly about my purchase. I pay for my items calmly and leave the shop with a smile. During my journey back home, I greet people I meet on the way. I practice speaking softly, yet confidently. I imagine short sentences in my head, repeating slowly, "Good morning, how are you?" "I hope you have a good day." "Thank you, see you soon." These small conversations are powerful because they train your mouth, mind, and ears to work together, creating fluency naturally. When I arrive home, I take a few minutes to relax. I take off my shoes and hang my bag. I wash my hands carefully. I prepare a simple lunch or snack. I enjoy my food slowly, tasting each bite. I speak to my family or roommate politely, using simple sentences such as, "How was your morning?" "Do you need any help?" "I am going to rest for a few minutes." After eating, I clean up the area and place everything back in its correct spot. I take a short walk inside my home or do a little stretching to feel fresh. I check my phone or messages, responding politely and slowly. I plan what I will do in the afternoon. I imagine small tasks, repeating sentences in my mind. I will finish my work carefully. I will take one step at a time. I can do this slowly and clearly. Practicing this mindset improves both confidence and English fluency. In the afternoon, if I meet friends or family, I use simple sentences to connect. I say, "Hello, how are you today? I listen carefully to their reply. I respond, I am fine, thank you. How about you? I continue the conversation using slow, clear sentences. What are you planning for today? Do you want to drink tea or coffee? Shall we sit and talk for a few minutes? Shadowing these conversations prepares your brain for real-life interaction. Now, let's practice some work or school-related conversations. At work or in school, I greet everyone politely. Good morning, how are you today? I hope you are feeling well. I sit at my desk and prepare my things carefully. I take out the materials I need. I start my tasks slowly, focusing on one item at a time. I ask politely if I need help. Excuse me, can you help me with this? I listen attentively and respond with clear sentences. Thank you very much. I understand now. I repeat these sentences slowly until they feel natural. Short breaks are important. During breaks, I speak to colleagues or classmates in simple sentences. How was your break? Would you like some water? Shall we go for a short walk? These conversations are easy but effective for beginners. They create flow in your English and improve confidence steadily. As the afternoon continues, I complete my work tasks one by one. I check my schedule for tomorrow. I take notes using simple sentences. I need to do this slowly. I will finish my task clearly. I will focus on one thing at a time. Each sentence repeated slowly embeds itself in my memory. Evening time comes and I prepare to relax. I walk home slowly, enjoying the calm environment. I greet neighbours or passers-by gently. At home, I change into comfortable clothes, wash my hands and prepare dinner. I speak to my family politely. Dinner is ready. Please enjoy your meal. I eat slowly and enjoy my food. I clean up my space after finishing. I might watch something light on television, reading subtitles slowly to improve comprehension. I talk to family members using short, clear sentences. How was your day? Did you finish your tasks? Shall we take a short walk? After dinner, I prepare for the night. I tidy my room carefully. I set my alarm using simple sentences in my mind. I will wake up slowly and start my day calmly. I read a few pages from a book, repeating sentences slowly. This is simple and easy to understand. I reflect on my day using sentences like, I did well today. I learned new words slowly. I repeat these reflections softly. Before sleeping, I stretch lightly and lie down. I close my eyes slowly, taking a deep breath and thinking positively. I repeat simple sentences in my mind. I am improving every day. I can speak clearly and confidently. English is easy when I practice slowly. These daily habits and sentences create a strong foundation. Shadowing and repetition train your mouth, ears, and brain to work together naturally. Every time you repeat a line, it becomes part of your English, building confidence and fluency without stress. Beginners must remember that fluency is not about rushing, not about using complex words, and not about memorizing grammar. Fluency comes from repeating simple sentences, daily practice, shadowing real conversations, and absorbing language slowly and steadily. Practicing every sentence in different situations strengthens memory. You can imagine talking to a shopkeeper, a friend, a family member, or a teacher. Use simple sentences. Hello, how are you? Can you help me? Thank you. I enjoyed talking with you. Every short conversation repeated slowly creates a strong habit. Speaking slowly builds confidence, clarity, and a soft rhythm in your speech. Listening to slow conversations also trains your brain to understand and respond naturally. Visualizing situations while repeating sentences enhances learning. Practicing for 15 to 20 minutes daily improves pronunciation, listening, and speaking. Combining all daily routines, conversations, and reflections gives beginners the tools to speak fluently in real life. English practice. Beginners teaches you the same, simple, calm, clear, and slow sentences that stick. Your daily repetition, shadowing, and practice are your pathway to speaking confidently, clearly, and naturally. No pressure, no rush, just consistent practice every day. Each line you speak today prepares your brain for real conversations tomorrow. And as you continue, English stops feeling like a challenge and becomes part of your daily routine, naturally, smoothly, and confidently.